Hello, what's up guys, this is sajidz with you again in this new video. Here we will talk about the hottest topic of this year, the Facebook Watch, and how you can monetize your Facebook account and you can earn money from your Facebook. So in the very last year 2017, Facebook has announced that they're just going to publish a product in Facebook, that the Facebook Watch, and by this Facebook Watch you can monetize your Facebook account and you can earn money. And they just implement this Facebook Watch in the very first of this year in some countries like US, UK, and here they just get a lot of success, and in the very mid of this year in 2018 they just enable this Facebook Watch in more than 25 countries more, and now they just get a lot of success there, and for that reason they're just going to monetize all around the world in the very last of this year. And for this reason, with the YouTube, a lot of video content creator just come to this here in the Facebook and they just want to make their career there, but they don't know how to do this and how to monetize your Facebook account and what you have to do. Everything here in this video I'll talk with you about that. Before that, here guys, I request you, if you are not already a subscriber of my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and if you do so, thanks a lot. Start it. So first of all, here you need to just go to in the Facebook and log in your Facebook account with your email ID passwords. And after that, here there have an option is that create. You need to just click here and there just click on the page. Here you need to create a page, because most of the time here to monetize your Facebook account you need to open a page. There's a business or brand, a community or public figure. Here you can start it with that or start it with that. Here I started with my business or brand. Here click on the get started, and now here you need to add the page name. Here I just add the page is the sajidz, and here the category you need to select a category. Don't select other categories. If you just type here the video creator, that time it will add the here as it is, and do not select other categories, because only Facebook monetization is enabled whenever you just select this video creator in your category. Now just click on the continue, and here you need to upload a profile picture, and if you want then you can skip it, and if you don't have, here it is, this is my profile picture. I just save it there, and after that, and they just add a cover picture, I just skip it. Now just click on the skip, but you have to fulfill this profile picture and cover photos there to monetize your Facebook account. And here you need to invite others, people is there, and here I just invite people to just get started here, that's all. Now here you can upload your videos there, and here is the spotlight videos. Here you can add some videos, though I haven't any video in these here, so I can't add it here. Add a cover photo, add a short description, create a username for your page. This is the most important. Just click here to create your username is there, and here it is my username. Here I just select a username like the sajidz, and here I just add here the 4 here the sajidz, so it just take it here, and it is the Facebook username is the sajidz, the 4 here, and now just click on the OK, and here now let's talk about what you have to do now to monetize your Facebook account. And here there have some requirement for you guys, is that in your page there have at least more than 10,000 likes, that means more than 10,000 followers in your Facebook page where you want to monetize. In the whole page you must have at least 30,000 minutes watch time in the whole page, and here all the watch time will count whenever your videos are watched by the viewers for at least 1 minute. And the last criteria of your video is that your video must have more than 3 minutes. And now what is the question is that what is the time duration, and here the criteria of the 30,000 watch time is the past 2 months, that means the 60 days. and if you just fulfill up these criteria, the time your Facebook will be monetized and you can earn from there. Here I suggest you never use any copyrighted content in Facebook, because if you use any copyrighted content and if anyone just strike it, the time Facebook will suspend your account, not only your Facebook page but also your main account, your Facebook account. So be careful for this. So that's it from me, guys. Guys, if you have any problem with this video and if you do not understand about this or that, the time please inbox me in YouTube or in my Facebook page or my Facebook profile. I'll just clarify you. So that's it from me, guys. Guys, I hope that you just enjoy this video and learn a lot from this video. So that's it from me. Thank you. Goodbye. See you soon. Have a nice day. Tata.